welcome to Fitness Flash Weather. We have another video today. I'm sorry I haven't gotten to you, but we have to jump right in here. And look at this. Day 2 outlook here. It's looking pretty severe. Hello everyone, my name is Finnegan O'Shaughnessy, and today we are talking about a possible multi-day severe weather outbreak. This could be really bad for the Midwest and the Southeast. Now, I live in South Carolina, so I will be getting hit by this thing too. So stay tuned. This is the first video of this. I will try to post some more. Maybe we'll do a live stream or something like that. But as you can see here, we have a moderate risk for many people, all the way from Minnesota and Wisconsin, Michigan, all the way down to Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, and some parts of Texas. You could be seeing all kinds of thunderstorms here by this storm system that's going to be coming through. And you can see we have some part of Illinois, Iowa, Missouri, some parts of Kentucky, small part of Arkansas, a small part of Tennessee is going to be in that moderate risk. If you are in there, you need to prepare for this because this is going to be a very bad storm. Now, in the enhanced risk, you will need to do the same. The moderate people that are in that risk need to take a little more caution with this storm. And if you're in the slight risk, which is actually what I am in, but this is not my day for severe weather here. But if you're in the slight risk, you need to watch out for some severe weather also. So let's go to our wind risk. You can see in that hatched area there, that is not looking good. We have a 45% chance of wind gusts over 50 knots, over 25 miles of a given point. And if you are in that hatched area, 10% or greater probability of wind gusts over 65 knots. That's like 75 to 80 mile an hour winds or greater within 25 miles of a point. So at any given point, 25 miles, that's the radius of that circle. There's a 10% in that circle that you will see 75 to possibly 90 mile an hour wind gusts. This is going to be straight line damaging winds. Whenever you get a thunderstorm warning, you could possibly be seeing hurricane force wind gusts. And the reason why this is so severe is because we have the millibar pressure is so low. It's the lowest it's ever gotten in 5 years. It is going to be 964 as the millibar pressure. So you need to take cover when this comes. Hail, you can see that hatch area, 10% greater probability of 2-inch in diameter hail within 25 miles of a given point. And in that 30% chance, it's basically the 1 inch in diameter hail with the same 25 miles of a given point. Tornadoes, it's gonna be a tornadic day. I just looked at the NAM 12 kilometer. It looks like there's gonna be like a line that's going in front of the squall line. That's going to be making things available for potential supercells to form in front of that line that could cause some pop-up tornadoes here and there. Ooh, what just happened? There we go. So if you are in that hatched area, 10% or greater probability of EF2 to EF5 tornadoes within 25 miles of a given point. You need to take cover whenever you get a tornado warning or severe thunderstorm warning. You need to treat these thunderstorms like it is a tornado. You need to treat these tornadoes like it is a hurricane. You need to treat this like it is a real disaster, because it is a real disaster. And it's gonna, when it comes, you're gonna be like, oh, this is not that bad, until it hits you. And that's when you need to get into the basement of your home. Whenever you get a tornado warning, you need to get to the lowest floor in an interior room that has no windows or anything like that. You should probably get your helmet, get your emergency plans ready for this, because this is going to be very bad. This is the worst severe weather outbreak coming up this whole entire year. So we need to prepare for this. Let's look at the day 3 outlook. We do not have a whole lot of this. We will probably have more of this tomorrow. But as you can see there, we have a moderate risk again. I think this could actually go to a high risk. I think that could be possible if we see that Cape match up with that moisture, and those two go even higher in its totals. So we really need to watch these systems. Tomorrow we're going to have this system form in the Midwest here, so we need to watch out for that. I will be looking at that pretty much all evening. I may do an overnighter for that night, but I probably will be doing an overnighter for Saturday night too, if that is necessary. So let's actually go. Let's check the models here. So let's go. Where should we go? Boy. Okay. There we go. Let's go right here. Pivotal weather. Alright, so let me show you guys. Now, severe weather is not just associated with this. We also have the fire danger, and we have some high wind warnings and watches. So if you are in that pink, you have a red flag warning. Now, if you're in the lighter pink and the purple, you have winter storm advisories and you have winter storm warnings. So we're going to have blizzards, we're going to have fire danger with this, we're going to have high winds, we're going to have severe weather, tornadoes. It's just a mixed bag of all of this stuff. So especially in California, Oregon, and Washington, what I like to call the cow states, because California for C, Oregon for O, and Washington for W. So I call it the cow states. The cows of the West. Let's see. Could connect to that. I don't know. I'll have to look that up. But we're going to have lots of flooding and lots of snow totals. This is the precipitation announces in inches. So, like in the Rockies there, you could see they could be getting up to 4 inches of rain, but that's not going to be rain. That's going to be snow. And if we translate that to snow, that's 40 inches of snow. That is literally 3.5 to 4 feet of snow. That is going to be a lot of snow. And then if you were on the coastline, you could be seeing anywhere from around 1 to 3 inches of rain. Then some of the Rockies and the mountains will be seeing anywhere from a foot to 3 to 4 feet of snow. It could vary depending on your location and how high your altitude is. Let's see, that's the 24, so actually it could be more. Oh yeah, it's even more. Oh boy. Yeah, definitely a lot of rain coming for you guys. So we need to watch out for flooding over there. Let's go to some of the models here. Let's see what they say. Alrighty. Get over here. Yeah, I'm gonna go over here. So we have all this stuff. Oh, I forgot one thing. Day 4, we also have some 15% chance of some severe weather in 25 miles of a given point. This is 4 days out, so this would be on Sunday. So we don't know a lot, but you definitely need to watch for this because a squall line could be moving through your area. Now, actually, I do not live in this part of South Carolina, so I will not be getting hit by this. But that we need to watch that also. A lot of people, it's kind of hard to tell if we'll go live or not, but it is a possibility. Let's go to the models here. Let's do the NAM 18Z. See what it says. Alright, so this is temperature. Let's do dew point. So you can see we have that dew point coming up there. This is actually, I think this is right now. This is 27 hours. Alright, let's back up here. Nope. Nope, not what I want, not what I want. Oh boy. What's happening? Oh, this is Cape. Okay. So, as you can see, the Cape is going to be very high, and with that moisture, we just need lift and instability with this storm, and that's exactly what we have. So over here we have our graph, and you can see it shows the wind shear and the Cape with height. So we need to watch out. And then we have our moisture over here. Pretty high dew points. That is very high dew points. Wow, that is really high. And then we have our combined humidity. Humidity is going to be really high. So let me play this out for you and show you what's going to happen. This is really going to tell you. All right, so over here. Nope, not this again. There we go. Over here we have our low pressure system that's happening right now. And what's going to happen is this dry air in the brown is going to mix with that. But watch what happens here. This is 3 hours out. 6 hours out. 9 hours out. And it keeps, and you'll see that moisture come up in those blues and greens. Here by the Gulf of America is coming up into Texas, is coming up into Louisiana. We got parts of Mississippi, Alabama, some parts of Georgia, and it's going to be reaching up there. And this moisture is what's going to fuel this system when it comes. So we need to watch out. Let's see. Let's do the GFS. Wait, this one goes far out. Let's see, what do we got? Not what I want. Alright. Let's see. I want Cape. Most unstable Cape. Perfect. Alright. So this is 21 hours out. Let's see. So this is right now. And once we get like 2,000 to 3,000 to 4,000 gigajoules, that is when this becomes severe weather. But it's going to probably get higher than that. So let's see what happens here. See, Not too high. It's not loading for me. I don't know why. It froze. Okay, there we go. 21 hours out. See that cape starting to form up. 27. This is when it starts to happen. It's not loading. I don't know why, guys. It's not loading. Come on, load for me. Oh, there it is. Okay, there we go. It's not loading. Again. Alright, so you can see that cape right there. We got anywhere from 1,000 to 2,000 gigajoules, which is enough to spark up some thunderstorms, and then it really sparks up later in the day. So let's go back and let's go over here and let's talk about this a little bit. Then we will end this video. So this is right now. Let's see. Alright, so this is basically my area. Now it doesn't really say any thunderstorms. But if you go to night, thunderstorms developing. And we got that thunderstorms in the morning. So let's go over here. Thunderstorms. So we got thunderstorms. This is just gonna be very bad. Let's go over to 24 hours ahead in the future, and we can see exactly what's going to happen. So you can see, have it forming, then it's gonna form right up here, and there it goes, just like that. You can see that red means it's very severe. Actually gonna go over here. So we got lots of rain coming up for a lot of people. Lots of severe weather, tornadoes. We need to watch out for this. And hopefully I'll do a better video tomorrow. Have more information. We'll have a lot more stuff going on. So I will see you in the next